In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a realistic night vision effect in Photoshop using a fast, simple workflow that looks great for thumbnails, creative edits, and cinematic photo effects. This style is perfect if you want that classic green military camera look with contrast, grain, and a subtle lens vignette. And best of all, you can do it in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open your image in Photoshop. For the best result, choose a photo with clear subjects, decent detail, and some darker background areas, because that will help the effect feel more believable. Once your image is open, the first thing we need to do is remove the original colors. Go up to Image, then Adjustments, and choose Black and White. This converts the photo into a monochrome base, which gives us a strong foundation for the night vision look. If needed, you can fine-tune the black and white sliders to control how the different colors translate into brightness, but for now, the main goal is to create a clean grayscale image. Next, we're going to add the signature green tone. Go to Layer, then New Fill Layer, and select Solid Color. When the color picker appears, choose a bright green shade like #00FF66 or something similar. This vivid green is what immediately gives the image that night vision style. After that, make sure the blend mode is set to color. That allows the green tint to affect the image without completely destroying the original light and dark details underneath. At this point, the effect should already be starting to look like night vision, but we still need to push the contrast so the image has more of that glowing, high visibility look. Go to Image, then Adjustments, and open Levels. In the Levels panel, increase the shadows and highlights slightly. You don't want to overdo it because too much contrast can make the image look harsh and unnatural. Instead, aim for a stronger but still readable look, where the darker areas stay dark and the lighter parts of the subject stand out clearly. Now let's move on to one of the most important realism steps, and that is adding noise. Real night vision footage is never perfectly smooth, so adding a bit of grain makes the effect feel much more authentic. Create a new layer, then fill it with 50% gray by going to Edit and then Fill, and selecting 50% gray. Once that layer is ready, go to Filter, then Noise, and click Add Noise. Set the amount somewhere between 5 and 10%, depending on how strong you want the grain to be. Make sure Gaussian and monochromatic are both selected, because that creates a more natural sensor-style noise instead of colorful digital speckles. After applying the noise, change that layer's blend mode to overlay. This helps the grain blend into the image while still giving it that gritty night vision texture. If the noise feels too strong, you can lower the opacity a little until it looks balanced. The goal is realism, not distraction. Next, we'll add the vignette effect, which helps mimic the look of looking through a camera lens or scope. Create another new layer, then choose the elliptical marquee tool. Drag out a circle or oval selection over the main subject area. To make the transition smooth, apply a feather of around 100 to 200 pixels, depending on the size of your image. A larger photo may need a stronger feather, while a smaller image may need less. After that, invert the selection using Shift plus Control plus I or Shift plus Command plus I on Mac. Then fill the inverted area with black. This creates darkened edges around the frame, which adds that classic night vision tunnel effect. Once the fill is applied, lower the opacity of that vignette layer to somewhere around 30 to 50% so the edges feel natural and not too heavy. At this stage, your night vision effect should look much more convincing. You should have a grayscale base, a bright green tint, added contrast, realistic noise, and a subtle lens vignette that pulls everything together. If you want to enhance it even more, you can slightly adjust the opacity of the green fill layer or the noise layer until the final result feels right for your image. Different photos will need small tweaks, so don't be afraid to experiment a little. And that's how you create a fast and realistic night vision effect in Photoshop. It's a simple workflow, but the combination of black and white conversion, green coloring, noise, and vignette really sells the look. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, editing effects, and creative photo transformations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.